Meaning of free-for-all.
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 Free-for-all. Free-for-all is an idiom that refers to a situation in which everyone is allowed to do whatever they want without any rules or restrictions. This can lead to chaos, confusion, and even violence, as people compete for resources and attention. In such a scenario, there is no order or organization, and people may act selfishly or aggressively. The result of a free-for-all can be unpredictable and often negative, as it can lead to harm and damage to individuals and society as a whole.